Hi everyone, this is part 3 of decluttering our garage to turn it into a DIY workshop. In part 1, we organized a lot of things in the garage and we took a lot of garbage to the dump. In part 2, we took some steel to the recyclers, and today we're taking aluminum to the recyclers. So we're going to get that all loaded up in the truck. There's a little bit more in the backyard to take to the front, and then we have some in the garage that we're going to move into my dad's truck. All right, let's get started. Okay, so that wasn't bad at all. There was way less aluminum this time than there was steel last time. So let's head out to the front and help my dad load up the truck with what aluminum we have in the garage. Okay, Dad, like we talked about in the last video, there's a difference between steel and aluminum. And if you're going to the recyclers, it matters because you get paid a different amount for each, right? So show people how to tell the difference between steel and aluminum.
Okay, so aluminum will not stick to a magnet. Can't pick it up with a magnet. Steel can be picked up by a magnet, so that's the difference, and they pay you a different rate at the recyclers for that.
So get ready with me to go to the scrapyard. I'm wearing my black silver jeans overalls from Mark's Work Warehouse. And I've got my steel toe Dakota boots. And I've got my gloves because remember last time I forgot them. So actually somehow I ended up with 2 different ones. This is Homes on Homes. And I'm wearing Cool Job gloves. And I don't know where my glasses are from. But this is my fit for the scrapyard. Okay, we're on our way to the scrap metal yard again for the aluminum this time. Last time we took the steel and we got $99. So Dad, how much do you think we're gonna get for this one?
It's hard to say. We have extruded aluminum, we have data cable, and we have BX cable. The prices go up and down so often, it's hard to keep track of it, so I don't know.
Okay, I guess we'll have to see. There's always a traffic jam in the same spot. We're at the scrap metal yard dropping off our aluminum. It's another hot day, it's 29 degrees. Canadians like to talk about the weather. This is what we have in the back of the truck. £6,920 is our starting weight. I'm actually kind of sad to see these go. I didn't realize there was 2 of them. That's our pile of junk. Oh, we're right next to the things that I like. Okay, again, the moment of truth. $6,420. So that was a 500-pound difference.
500 pounds?
Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, Dad, how much?
$1,140.
What? No.
Yep.
Stop it.
There.
$1,000?
Yep. 1,100.
And 40?
$1,140.
That's a lot of Tim Hortons.
It sure is.
You're buying me a Tim's. How does this work?
So we have to scan the barcode here.
Yeah. Oh.
This is their ATM. The money will come out here.
Oh, last time I thought you were going in an office and
Nope,
talking
no.
to a guy. I didn't even see this. This is gonna give us $1,000.
Yep, 1,040.
And she gave us the change.
Yep.
Wow, no wonder it's such a concrete.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 40.
Jeez. Payday.
Your mom will be happy.
Mom will be really happy.
I guess we came at a good day. It seems the prices were up and we got over $1,000.
All right.
The BX cable, the data cable, and the extruded aluminum.
Let's go. We're taking this money and we're going straight to Tim's. I might get a large coffee. No, just joking. I only want a medium one.
Okay, so to recap, in this episode, I learned that you get more money for aluminum than you do for steel. I learned how to use the ATM at the scrap metal yard, and I learned that recycling your scrap metal is a great way to earn some extra cash. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in again as my dad and I continue to clean our garage and turn it into a DIY workshop. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.